The first thing you're gonna do is you can take off the foot plate, which makes it sit much better. And then you're gonna sort of undo the plastic at the top, and the brace is gonna slide under. There is significant adjustability to the brace. You can shorten or lengthen that to make sure that the knee fits right in the middle. And then he's just gonna tighten that down. It does come with 2 Allen wrenches. Okay.
It's good to stabilize over the fracture first, so we're gonna work on the thigh at this point. These tongues are made of a softer plastic and they're meant to be trimmed. They come long. We don't want extra material hitting the back of the brace and wrapping too far along. So what we do is we just eye this up and we aim for about 3 to 5 centimeters of overlap inside the brace. And what we'll do is we will just take standard bandage scissors and trim those tongues that go over the thigh and also the calf. So I'm gonna do it to each side here. Again, just with your standard bandage scissors.
And the plastic is soft enough so it should not be a problem to cut it.
We now wanna come back and we're gonna trim as well the shin or the calf section.
And all of this is done just so there's the right amount of pressure across the thigh and the tibia, but not causing too much pressure behind if these flaps were too long.
At this point, we want to make sure that we really get a good lock on the waist. So we're going to go ahead and we'll trim a little bit just to make sure there's not too much excess to interfere.
You can trim the foam as well.
And once we have that, we just want to make sure it goes inside. It's very forgiving on the top and it's very soft. So make sure there's a good anchor on the waist so it doesn't slide down. Always look at your knee to make sure that the brace is in the right spot.